Thanks for joining us this midday. I'm Tashara Parker. The law puts Governor Abbott and the state of Texas against President Biden and the federal government. Now, Chris Sadeghi has been following today's hearing. He was also following this story early on this morning. He joins me live right now. Chris, will we get any answers today?
We might have to wait for an answer, but during this morning's hearing, the three-judge panel presiding over it seems really interested in the role that district attorneys and district judges will play when it comes to prosecuting any arrest made by officers under SB 4. Now, the bill not only gives local law enforcement the power to arrest someone they suspect crossed the Texas border illegally, but also gives judges the ability to send those convicted back across the border to Mexico. It's been on again, off again for the law that Texas passed last year. That's because the federal government is challenging its constitutionality as an overstep by the state into federal authority. They say if it does pass and it stands, it significantly changes their border control operations.
The answer that we have received at every turn is we don't have the resources. We get that, we understand that, but here, Texas has come forward with additional resources, saying, let us protect the border.
Right there was the attorney for the state of Texas. Now, since Texas passed the law 5 months ago, the reason it keeps going into and out of effect is because 2 weeks ago, the Supreme Court sent the federal lawsuit back down to the Court of Appeals, but lifted a stay allowing the law to go into effect. That only lasted a matter of hours before the Court of Appeals restored the stay until they could offer a decision of their own. That is the reason for today's expedited hearing. But a decision might not come immediately following. And no matter what that decision might be, it may be rendered moot because in the long run, the Supreme Court holds the final say. And once the appeals court offers their decision, the highest court in the land can then take it into consideration before offering their own final word. Tashara, back to you.